Black. And we shall pick you up hopefully in Ocean Beach. Signing off for now. A man who will soon make history in his pink Cadillac boat. God bless you, Mr. Mellis. God bless you.
May your journey be safe.
There's Gary on his way to make history in his pink Cadillac. We'll see you in Ocean Beach in 2 minutes. Okay, Mr. Mellis. There he is in his pink Cadillac. Pulling into OB.
Take a picture.
Here's the Ocean Beach Police calling in for reinforcements that are going to be needed to arrest and put Mr. Mellis in jail. Thank you. Okay, here we are in Ocean Beach. And Gary's making his way into the dock right now.
We have 4 material witnesses.
There they go. Gary's expertly handling the pink Cadillac.
Complete with optional power steering, mind you.
Might swing around. Is going into Ocean Beach. And there are the cops, just waiting for him to dock his illegal pink Cadillac. Police officer videotaping Gary as he's coming into Ocean Beach. Let me tell you, I've never seen a better looking Ocean Beach police officer in my life. Okay, we'll see you soon. Okay, here he is floating around in his pink Cadillac. 40 degrees. Here we have the police officer. Here he comes. The man in the pink Cadillac.
But the wise people attack the point of wood. Use the gate to knock you out. I said now, I wish they all could be fine running. I wish they all could be fine running. I circle around the reefs out, making I see all kinds of colors. But they tell me down in Cherry Road, there's the cutest place in the world. I'm heading for the fire outlines where life's a fairy tale. And drink martinis and tea-time dip, and a cruise ain't nothing well. I said, I wish they all could be fire running.
I'll talk to you about it later, sir.
Could be fire running.
Yeah, we had a plate here.
I wish they all could be.
Here he is, docking his pink Cadillac. Arrested, he's sent away for the rest of his life. Drinking a can of Excuse me.
and park a car.
I don't know, it looks like a 58 to me, not a 59. I don't know, a 58.
That is cool. No, you can't go in it, but you can. I'm holding this girl's hand. I thought it was your hand, Mike. It's all right.
Here we have Gary being busted by Ocean Beach's finest.
Holding my hand because he doesn't normally.
Oh. How you doing, officer? How many horsepower is that? Oh, never mind. All right. Ocean Beach police doing their job. Down the walkway, escorting Gary to jail. What? Illegally? The whole business. Hey Gary, any last words to your family before they lock you up and throw away the key? Any last words?
Look, I could have made it driving straight here.
Busted for drinking Coke. Hey officer, how many people you busted today for drinking Coca-Cola? Huh? 25, that's a lot. You're doing a good job. Keep up the good work. Hey, are they putting him in jail now, officer? Irene, they're busting him now. They got him tied up on a rack.
Are they torturing him?
They're torturing him now.
I hope so.
Have Dave McWilliams and Bert Weishman, the crew of the 59 Pink Cadillac, and the inspiration for Gary making this historic event. Way to go, fellas. Food for the prisoner now. Bringing him food for the prisoner right now. Hey, Gary Mellis just got busted for your friend Gary Mellis. He just got busted for drinking a Coke and illegally docking his boat in Fire Island. They're in there giving him the 3rd degree right now, Giovanni. Go help him out. And here we have a copy of the rules and regulations of Ocean Beach. As you can see, eating or drinking on the beach and public walks and everything else you can think of except for breathing is strictly prohibited. But have a nice time in our town, the Ocean Beach Police Department, where Gary's being grilled right now. There's the prisoner now. Here he comes. Yay!
You came back with two.
Yeah, so I went to court 2 weeks ago.
Speak louder. Speak louder.
Violations. Locking a car. Drinking Coca-Cola in a summer resort area and playing the radio. I'd like to introduce you to David Williams, who invented this 59 arrest. 24 on boat. We'll find out in court. Supreme Court. Very interesting.
You couldn't walk through to get back inside.
Mr. Mellis, fine job on dragging this down. Captain.
And you won't have next week school.
Hey, did they torture you, Gary? No kidding.
to shit. This guy's only 20.
Hey, we saw the.
23 years old. The mentality was unbelievable.
We heard the screams. We heard the screams. Yeah.
They got one of those. What do they call that? Electric chargers.
Electric, a cattle prod. Cattle prod.
Oh yeah, that's what they use in the 113 precinct in Sweden. Let's go have dinner. Wait, I gotta wait for my summons. I got 3 waiting for my summons. Here's one of the officers.
See the guy beat you with the nightstick, Gary? You did a good job, officer. I think you improved his appearance a bit.
Get the fine, and we'll call the phone. If I wrote something down in the police department on the boat,
Drinking on the streets.
And here we have a hot debate between Bert and an unknown young lady from Ocean Beach. What's your name, Miss Unknown? Oh, he's Miss No Name from Jane Doe from Ocean Beach, arguing for the laws of Ocean Beach. And there's John Doe trying to.
against the laws of Ocean Beach. We got room, not marriage.
Get the divorce. I don't know even remember what that other place was. What is that? Force out of business.
Police powers,
What?
Just Village Court.
Oh, I never.
Favoritism. I was just issued 3 summonses for parking a car, doesn't say no parking of a car, drinking a Coca-Cola, and playing a radio in a summer resort. I think this is unconstitutional, and I know for a fact I am taking the village of Ocean Beach to the Supreme Court of the United States to overturn these fascist laws. Thank you.